If you think you might have COVID and have one of those home COVID test kits under your sink, you may want to check the expiration date.
That's interesting. 5 News reporter Lauren Spencer tells us if the expired test even works, and if it does, will it detect the new variant?
If you have those free government-provided COVID tests you got in the mail still lying around, you might want to hold off on using them.
The issue with using them after the expiration date is the reliability of them is going to be decreased.
Andrew Mize is the owner of Debbie's Family Pharmacy in Rogers. He says you're more likely to get a false negative using an expired kit.
There's just not a good way to know how long after that expiration date it may still give you an accurate result.
As far as the new test kits are concerned, he said he's had a hard time getting them from his wholesaler.
We go through them pretty quickly. You know that we've obviously had a spike in cases here lately, and so really it's about trying to have maybe a couple on hand if you can, but also check around. Most pharmacies are trying to carry them.
As for a rising number of cases and a new variant, Mize says these new at-home kits should work.
Most of the experts seem to believe they will, but there's not a lot of change in that from previous variants like the Omicron variant, and so the test should give you a fairly reliable result.
And he says to make sure to test again if you feel you have the symptoms.
Just because you've got a negative test does not mean you have it, because there's a lot of variables of when you tested compared to when you were exposed.
In Rogers, covering news where you live, Lauren Spencer, 5 News.